SJ's whole new model 2.4G Wi-Fi controlled jumping car is definitely bringing you an amazing control experience with its features of personalized design, flexible driving ability, and amazing jumping function. After familiar with the operation, it can be creating more cool and awesome playing actions. Using advanced materials, the car body ensures super shock-proof ability. Super width tires can be adjustable running. When wheel extended, it provides high-speed running. When wheel speed trotted, it provides its best flexibility for the car. Simple equipment and easy operation charging mode provides jumping car to complete a beautiful flip action again and again. The remote controller and body have double-sided switch. Only a slight fingertip touch to achieve a perfect control. With double-wheel driving system and precise control system, intelligent jumping car can go forward and backward, turn left and right speed at fast speed, and make 2-second spin action, etc. Its good quality ensures itself as a moving performance and high-speed turning capacity. Equipped with dumping bounce pad, it brings itself an instant burst of strong jumping ability. Bounce pads and loaded spring also ensure that it can easily avoid obstacles and achieve lightness jump. It is not limited to a small space, but finds itself to a big outside world when displaying its great personality. Fast driving shows a remarkable ability to control outdoor without any places restriction.